In this video, I'll show you how to edit footer on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I want you to find the website that you want to edit the footer for. Once you're in that website, this is what dashboard should look like. Now, on the left side, we're going to go to website. On the website, we're going to go to pages. And on the pages, we're going to choose any page that we want to edit the footer for. So let's choose the contact page. At the top of the page, we see the edit button. We're going to click on edit. And now we're going to scroll down all the way down. You can see once I hover over the bottom of the page, it says edit site footer. Now this is where I'm going to click, and this is where I'm going to edit the section, and I'm going to add blocks if I would like to. And this is how you edit footer on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.